Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another video. And here we are. We're going to be repairing this house is owned by a lady, and she's got a few little kids. So we're going to replace this water pump for her, and it's something from your donations. It's been rusted away, and it's got a hole in there. You'll see in the video. This is the new pump. We've got this down here, whacking away at the concrete, sorting it all out. It's hard work, but it's got to be done. And, you can see the usual connection here. If you want to run a motor, so you can get water to other parts of the house. But anyway, there's a leak there. You can see it's blatant, it's rusted away. It's not going to be fixed. So there's no point putting something on there that's not going to last. So it's easier just to replace it. So there you go. Just wasting water. So we've got some prepared, locked off, boxed off. So inshallah, this one will be done. Watch the rest of the video, follow us, and give us your support. And the main thing is keep us in your prayers, because this is your donations, and water is a very important thing for us. We just take it for granted. It's on the tap, so we don't worry about it, and we don't think where does it come from, or what happens to the situation if we don't have water. These guys, if they don't have water, it's a big problem. If they have livestock, or just for wuzu, for cleaning, for bathing and stuff like that. Usually they make these with concrete, and we've got uncle here, he's assembling it. This is Gulistan's dad. He's a good guy, mashallah. And stuff that they take it off, we get them to reuse it in other projects and stuff. But what's savable is savable, and what's not, it's not. So this is what we do. So this is the way it's done, and that's the end result. In a bit you'll see, inshallah. That's totally gone, this one. That's beyond repair. So it needs a replacement's ready, and it will be back in a few seconds. And this is what happens. Look, the rust eats away at the concrete, eats away at the rust over time and stuff. And exposure. Anyway, repairing the lady in there with the kids and stuff, so obviously don't want to reward them. But anyway, here's your pump. May the Almighty reward you all for all the donations. And pump it out, and we look forward to seeing you on the next video, inshallah.
ده repairing वाला